current minimum wage right now would be $10.55. Even in the state of California, where the minimum wage is $8 an hour, a total yearly income of $16,640 is not enough for one person, much less to sustain a family in Sacramento. Me, myself, no, I have 2 children. I work odd minimum wage jobs, and it really doesn't help. I have myself, my kids, we have bills, we have things we need to provide for, and stuff that they need to do, like basketball camps, ballet for my daughter, whatever it is. But at that meeting, at that type of pay, I really can't do it. That's one of the reasons why we're asking for this. The 99% need a raise. As everyone here on the stand can know that because you're here. While congressmen like Representative Dan Lundgren, he raises up tax breaks for the CEOs to make millions and the corporations to make billions. And we struggle to make ends meet. As more and more middle-class jobs have been replaced by lower-wage work, millions of Americans in the 99% have lost their chance to even try to realize whatever you want to call an American dream. People like us who work for a living putting money right back into the economy, what businesses in this region need from our elected officials is Representative Dan Lundgren right now is more of us to be customers and not just more of a tax break, because the real problem is too many of us aren't here making enough money to get by. If we convince Congress to take action to reduce the gap in the rich and the rest of us, we'll help small businesses grow, create jobs, and boost our local economies. The minimum wage can't support families under 99%. The federal minimum wage hasn't kept up with the inflation, but CEOs has risen over 725% over the last 30 years, and 80% of all real income growth has gone to the richest 1% of Americans, not us. Congress should represent all of us and not just the rich 1%. Polls show that vast majority of Americans supporting raising the national minimum wage to $10 per hour, while corporations lobby to keep it stagnant. Inaction by elected officials like Dan Lundgren also allows CEOs to grow their profit margins and expense the rest of us, especially hitting low-wage employees hard. We can all turn these around. These points are all empowerment. Now we're going to hear from Sacramento community members as they speak their experiences and struggling on just to make minimum wage. We'll hear from Diana Mays.